Welcome back to Shred with Ed. Today is round 5 of Mountain Creek Bike Park's Thursday Night Race League. We are getting here about an hour and a half early just so we could practice some of the trails. Got my TRP brakes on the bike finally. I'm pretty excited to try these out. They have a lot of great reviews and I bled them up real nice. They feel good, so let's go shred. So we are on our way up to the top. I left my clipless pedals on. Just want to continue to get used to those and just try to stay consistent. But I just realized I need to bed my brakes in, so we're going to take it a little slow. First couple runs, I'll probably just do like a typical breakout run. Just stay blue and, you know, get some good bedding done for these new rotors. Let's hope they work. So we'll see you at the top. I haven't been down Tempest in a little while, ever since I did the Anthem drop a couple weeks back, so maybe we'll see if we can clear that with my feet clipped in. And then we're gonna go bother them and sign up for Race League. Which means I can hit Bushwhack again, which is one of my favorite trails. Alright guys, we are headed up for our first race run. They were pretty late to announce the course, so I had a late start with getting some practice runs in, but it's a pretty simple trail. It's just a blue flow trail, and as I've been saying, at this point in the year, these trails get so blown out, and this place is always so dry anyway. Not really expecting much. This is like my weak point for riding, because I'm just not good at these downhill flow trails that get very, very, very choppy. But hey, let's see what we could do. I mean, we got an 8th place last week, so I'd like to try to stay in the top 10, ideally. So let's see what happens. This is what the trail looks like. It just weaves all the way down the same line as the lift. And that trail over to the right is Dombu, where we had our first Race League round. That's where I got the flat tire. So hopefully no flats today, and hopefully we do really well. I haven't quite figured out if it's faster to ride these wall rides or just stay low in the corner and keep it going. It looks like here comes someone now for their race run. Dropping! slid out right there. All right, guys, run 1 is done. We are headed back for our second run. I'm sitting in 9th right now, which is pretty good. Top 10s are still great for me. Dropping! Eyes up. Okay, guys, we are leaving Race League. We ended up 14th out of 30, which mid-pack, it's still like in what I deem acceptable. I just want to do better, but I really suck at those kinds of trails and I should work on it. Actually, one of my friends got wadded up pretty bad on one of the wall rides. I hope he's okay. He had to take a trip to the hospital. But yeah, that's round 5. Let's hope next week is a nice tech trail for me to get used to. We'll see you guys next week.